In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive not playing videos issues. 4 methods. If your video in Google Drive won't play, keeps spinning, shows a black screen or throws a playback error, these practical fixes will walk you through what to try, why it helps, and how to do it safely. Start by making sure your browser is up to date. In Chrome, open the menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. When it finishes, click Relaunch. This matters because Google Drive's preview player relies on modern web standards and codecs. An outdated browser can break playback, especially for newer video formats. If updating doesn't solve it, convert the video to a more web-friendly format. Google Drive previews work best with MP4 files using H.264 video and AAC audio. If your clip is in MKV, MOV with uncommon codecs, or has variable frame rates, re-encode it to MP4 H.264 at a standard frame rate like 24, 30, or 60 FPS. Keep the resolution reasonable. 1080p is a safe bet. After converting, re-upload the new file to Drive and give it a little time to process before you try to play it. If it still won't play, try disabling third-party extensions and resetting Chrome settings. Open the menu, go to Extensions, and toggle off anything that might touch video, privacy, ad blocking, or downloads, then test Drive again. If playback improves, re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. For a clean slate, open Settings, search for Reset, and choose Restore settings to their original defaults. This keeps your bookmarks and passwords, but it clears temporary configurations that can interfere with media playback. Next, clear cookies and cache to remove stale data that can confuse the Drive player. In Settings, open Privacy and Security, then clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then confirm. You may be signed out of sites, so have your logins ready. Reopen Drive and try playing the video again. If none of that works, the file itself may be corrupted or not fully processed. Download it and see if it plays locally. If it doesn't, re-export or re-encode the original and upload the fresh copy. If it does play locally, re-upload to Drive and wait a few minutes for processing to complete before previewing. That's it. Update Chrome, convert the file, neutralize extensions, clear cache, and finally confirm the file's integrity. Try these in order and you should get Google Drive videos playing smoothly again.